What do you have there, honey?
My cat died this morning. It's the first time I've got to touch him and bathe him.
What happened?
Poor thing, I don't know. I guess he got too cold. I'm defrosting him.
Wow.
Poor thing.
What was
Stay
his
alive.
name?
His name was Church. We're going to bury him out back and see what happens this time around.
Wow, so this has happened before?
Yep. He's always been stinky, untouchable.
Well, I heard a meow.
Me too. I think he's coming back to life.
Oh, no.
Let it go, let it go.
Oh, no, Church.
Poor dude. Look at